I'm going to share something that might surprise you. Your website has just 7 seconds to capture someone's attention. That's right, 7 seconds to show a potential client you understand their problems and can help them solve them. Think about how you browse websites on your phone. A quick scroll, a quick decision. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, you're gone, right? If you don't see what you're looking for right away, you're gone. Here's what most client-based business owners get wrong. They fill their websites with credentials, years of experience, and detailed service descriptions. But here's the truth. Your potential clients don't care about any of that. What they care about is feeling understood. They want to know you get their challenges and have a clear path to help them solve their problem. Let me walk you through the 4 fatal traps that are costing you clients right now. First, the brochure website trap. This is when your website acts like a digital business card. Lots of information, but no clear path to action. It's like walking into a networking event and immediately listing your resume to everyone you meet. Would that work? Of course not. Second, the copy struggle trap. When you're too close to your own business, it's like trying to read the label when you're on the inside of the bottle. You can't see what makes you unique because you're just too close to it. The third trap is the hero trap. This happens when you make your website all about you instead of about your client. Remember, your potential clients don't want another hero. They want a guide who can help them become the hero of their own story. And finally, there's the more is more marketing trap. Here's what happens. Most service providers think a professional website needs multiple pages, lengthy explanations, and a packed navigation menu. But every additional page on your website becomes a mental hurdle for your potential clients. Think about it. They have to decide which page to click, which service to read about, which blog post might be relevant. They're using up valuable mental energy making choices when they should be focused on one decision, whether or not to work with you. But there's good news. The solution is simpler than you think. It starts with a simple shift. Position your client as the hero and yourself as their guide. Show them you understand their challenges, have a clear plan to help them succeed, and prove it with testimonials and real client results. Here's your quick path to action. Create one flowing page instead of multiple pages on your website. Lead with client challenges, not your credentials. And always offer a clear next step. What's the next step you want them to take in order to work with you? If you want some help implementing these changes, I've written an entire book about this transformation. Visit reddoorstories.com to get your copy and schedule a call to discuss how we can make your website work harder for your business. Remember, you've got 7 seconds. Make them count.